Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I have some brand new products from Glam. These cute little pots are called the pudding gels. They are in these cute stylish black matte square pots. These gels are highly pigmented and are in a solid formula like buttercream or melted butter consistency. They look thick but they are extremely light and easy to apply. It doesn't flow or run like regular gel polish, which is amazing because you don't have to worry about flooding the cuticles or sidewalls. First there is pale green, then there is cinnamon, peanut, white, black and teal. All the names are on the top of the pots. You can apply these gels on the nails using a brush. I'm using Glam's application brush. So you can see when I do scoop the gel out, it stays exactly where it is. It doesn't move around in the pot and it doesn't move around on the brush either. Neither does it move around when it's on the swatch stick. You're in complete control of the whole process. The best way for application is to apply the gel in the middle of the nail and then drag it down towards the free edge, then gently go up towards the cuticle area and drag all the way down. These gels require a base coat and a top coat when applying to your nails, but since I'm swatching them on swatch sticks, you don't really need a base coat for that. You cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in the UV lamp. So that was the first coat, and then I cure it in the lamp and then apply the second coat now, and then after curing that in the lamp I then apply a top coat. I realised that I didn't really need to use a second coat on them since they are very pigmented, so the rest I only apply just one coat and then I apply the top coat. The gels can blend easily because of their consistency and are perfect for freehand nail art as well. These gels are so light and creamy when applying them, so beautiful to work with. I love when I'm scooping up the gel, it's so satisfying to do and even more satisfying to watch. So the pudding gels are available for VIP members. If you're not a VIP member, don't worry, you can head over to Glam's website and become one. You get amazing perks of being a Glam VIP member. So when you are a VIP member, all of your gels are 50% off, always. So you buy your gels at half price anytime. As a VIP, you will enjoy dedicated private sales. You get early access to new arrivals, so you're the first to know about any latest launches in advance, and you're able to shop for them before anyone else. You also get free US shipping and lots more, so I'll include a link in the description box for anyone who wants to check it out. I really hope Madam Glam comes out with more colours because I'm in love with them. Here are all the pudding gels side by side. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? It's a beautiful selection of colours. I hope you all enjoyed the video and thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share the video. Oh, and comment below what is your favourite pudding gel. I'm sending you all lots of love and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.